Sean here at Vidalia Yoga in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. This is part of our Kundalini Quick Hits series, and today we're going to work on the thyroid gland. So the thyroid gland is connected to our immune system, and the glands, or the glandular system, is what is referred to as the guardians of good health. So it's always good to have glands working properly and in harmony with the rest of your systems in your body. So this particular Kriya will work on the thyroid. To start our practice, we always tune in by chanting Om Namo Guru Dev Namo, the Adi mantra. So we'll do the Adi mantra and the Mangala Charan mantra, which is Ad Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Siri Guru Deve Name. We repeat that one 3 times as well, and then we'll do our Kriya and finish that with the Long Time Sunshine song, followed by a long Satnam. So, sitting straight in easy pose, the legs crossed. If you want to place a cushion, that's fine. Just allow yourself to keep your knees level with the hips or a little lower. And it's not considered cheating. Just want to make sure that you can keep your spine as straight as possible without creating any discomfort in the hip flexors or in the knees, things of that nature. So sitting straight, spine straight, chin is gently tucked in and light neck lock. Closing the eyes, taking in a long, deep breath of air. And exhale. Inhaling again. And exhale. Inhaling, rubbing the palms together. Exhale, bringing the hands into a prayer pose, thumbs to the sternum. And this time inhaling to chant. Inhale, suspend the breath. Exhale, relax. Just taking a moment to observe. Okay, so we want to come into a standing posture, and your feet can be about hip width apart. You want to bring your hands into prayer pose, and what we're going to do is we're going to extend the arms up and back to 60 degrees. So 90 degrees is straight up, so 60 degrees is 30 degrees back. So it's not that far back, because a lot of times people overextend. That's not what we want to do here. So you want to come up to 90 and then just come back 30. That's 60 degrees. Set your timers for 3 minutes and make sure to synchronize your breath. So as you inhale, you want to extend the arms to 60 degrees. Exhale, come back to prayer pose at heart center. Set your timers for 3 minutes and begin. Making sure to breathe deeply. can mentally chant Sat on the inhale, Nam on the exhale. Sat Nam, truth is my identity. Inhale, extend. Exhale, relax. Hold your space. Always coming back to stillness, silence, observation, allowing integration to take place. Clearing the mind of any thoughts. Again, these are practices that you can do, taking a few minutes from your day at school or at work. Just allow yourself to connect to yourself, to your breath, and stimulate some flow of energy, some circulation. That's what's really important. That thyroid works on the 5th chakra, the chakra for truth. So it stimulates energy in this area. So it allows you to speak the truth wherever you may be. All right, so we finished this practice by chanting or singing the long time sunshine song and then chanting a long Satnam. So inhaling deeply, rubbing the palms together. Exhale, hands in prayer pose, thumbs to the sternum, shoulders are relaxed, chin is gently tucked in and light that block. And inhaling to sing. May